Hi! In front of me is SONY Xperia Tablet Z, and today I would like to show you how you can rename this device. First of all, click on Apps at the top right corner and select Settings. Now over here you need to click on Bluetooth and tap on the switcher to activate it. Then tap on those three dots at the top right corner and select Rename Tablet. Over here you can type in whatever you wish to. I will go with some gibberish. And when you're ready, select Rename. As you can see, name of my device has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!